What's going on, Expected family? Welcome back to the channel. I got another banger for you right here. This right here is going to be a product review banger. I absolutely love doing product reviews, and that's simply because it gives me an opportunity to try out the new innovations out there, whether it's just fitness based or lifestyle. And this right here I have today for you is going to be all about lifestyle. The product that I'm going to be reviewing today is going to be the Recoverfun Aircup. This right here is taking cupping to a whole nother level. I actually have it right here hanging from my neck. This right here is a lanyard, so it comes with this. You can attach it to the cup. When you're cupping solo dolo by yourself, it's gonna help you avoid dropping it when you lose that suction. When you turn it off, it's not gonna hit the ground. It's simply just gonna hang. So it's real good, nice, tight, easy attachment. So it actually came in this dope box. So I unboxed it and everything. It came with a charger as well. You will need to charge it. So I'm not here to give you the rundown on what cupping actually is, but it is used to relieve that tension in the muscles, to help you recover after your workouts. And just simply, if you are a sore individual, you can use cupping. So that's why I said it's lifestyle, because you can actually take it to work. This is portable. You can take it on the road. You can take this anywhere. You can use it at any time. All you actually need is an app that they have that you can download this app and you can connect it to the actual cup itself, and voila. So let me go ahead and show you guys the app that I'm talking about. Here it is right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, and now it's gonna search right there. It is searching for my cup, all right? So no cup was found, and obviously because I have not turned it on. So let me go ahead and turn it on for you guys. What you need to do is just hold down the on button. It'll light up just like that. You'll see it right here. Actually looks super cool, I can't even lie. But now it's on. So I can go ahead and search again, and it's going to pick this thing up. So there it is right there. So that's mine right there. I'm gonna go ahead and click it. And this is what the screen looks like, all right? So it has 5 different settings on here. That's what makes it super useful for any and everybody. So you guys can probably hear it right now. They said this was a quiet motor. It's actually pretty loud if you ask me. I mean, I can't really sit and watch some Netflix with my wife while cupping with this device. So that's probably one of the flaws I will say. But regardless of that, man, after your workout, or if you're at work in your own office, you can turn this thing on and it won't probably affect anybody. But okay, back to the suction mode. So I said it has 5 different modes. It has your cupping, it will have your massage, it will have your progressive, your relaxing, and your scraping. That's 1 all the way to 5. I might have said that in the wrong order, but the first one is going to be your massage, and that's typical for anyone trying to just, again, relieve that tension, get you a nice little deep tissue massage. Then you have your progressive for 2, then you have for 3, you have your relaxing, you're just sitting back relaxing. You have 4, cupping, which I enjoy a lot. I really enjoy the cupping therapy. And then you have scraping. And everyone can benefit from the, let me go ahead and turn it off, or just pause it. It's still on right now, but you can turn it off and keep it quiet. But the best thing about all of these modes is that you can actually increase the suction on all 5 of them. You can go from low all the way to high, so you can actually adjust. Normally when you're doing these massages, you can't really change it how you want to. You can't personalize your own massage, right? This right here makes it where you can personalize it and get the most benefit. So I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like right now with me using it. So right here, I just throw it on my chest. Hit that on button right there, and it gets to sucking. You can also see that red light, so it also has that red light feature. That right there is gonna help reduce that inflammation and also relieve that pain. So this right here is on level 1, and it's all the way down, as you see. So I'm gonna increase the suction power, as you see at the top. So just decrease it a bit. What I'm also gonna do is change the cupping. So I'm gonna hit mode 4 right there. So now we're on mode 4, and we're getting to it. It also has a timer right there at the top. So what I normally like to do is for 20 minutes, I like to keep it on the muscle. So the only difference with this and other cupping strategies is the fact that you would have to definitely purchase more than one, all right? If you wanna actually get the whole full back, get your shoulders, get your chest, you would need more than one. But if you're simply just relaxing, just hanging out, and you wanna hit a certain muscle that is affecting you, you can go ahead and attach this bad boy and get right to it. So I can't make this stuff up, guys. This is a great innovative device if you're really trying to relieve that tension. If you're going to enjoy some massages, some cupping, some scraping, you might want to invest in something as such. So again, this right here is the Recoverfun Aircup. I'm going to go ahead and drop the link down below. Again, I use this after my workout when I'm trying to get that recover. You also can use it on your rest days. For all my gym folks out there, use it on your rest days when you're doing some foam rolling. Incorporate some massaging. Take care of your body, get the gains. That's what we all about. All 2022. And don't flex while you're doing this. So just to take off the suction, you can just hit that on button right there, and voila, it takes it right off. So once you take it off, you will see some redness. That's all about the cupping. All right, that's all I have for you guys for this product review. I'm going ahead and drop that link down below on where I got this one from. I need you guys to go check it out. All 2022, nothing but bangers. I want y'all to keep making those gains, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.